Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum. Yeah, Ethereum quite neutral today, I would say trading flat. Seeing a little bit of selling pressure after yesterday's small rally. Don't even want to call it a rally really, it was more like a little bit of upside consolidation. The wave count itself and these scenarios haven't changed. I'm still watching for one more low here at least. Maybe two more lows, like on the Bitcoin chart, it's one more low or two more lows. Or it would take a break above the Monday high to tell me that something different is going on. But even then, it might not require a, let's say, massive scenario shift, because the last rally that started on Saturday to Monday, this is a three-wave corrective rally. So it doesn't allow me to strongly lean towards the low being in, even though it's of course possible, because the next wave up is a fifth wave. I don't think we can actually see it here on the 1 hour time frame, not so important, but it's a fifth wave. After the fourth wave should complete in this region, so it's the bullish assessment of the chart, a bullish structure. I've got a bullish thesis about ETH, like Bitcoin as well. That might change at some point, but for now we are just doing a normal correction, which, and this wave 4 came down quite deep, unfortunately, but still it is a corrective structure to the downside. I've got an A, B, C structure, and the C wave could be completed. In a WXY, we might get one or two more lows. And we have to stay objective, right? I mean, as long as we only see three-wave corrective structures to the upside, I cannot strongly lean towards the low being in. It could be, specifically because the next wave up is a fifth wave, and a fifth wave can be an ending diagonal. So we might just be dealing with corrective structures, but there's no way for me of saying that without seeing at least further evidence, like a breakout of the range to the upside, for example. So with that scenario, we would really need to take out and overcome the $3,720 level, which is the 8th of April high. First, minimally, and then we need to get above that 4,090 level. The problem is there won't be any clear evidence indication that a low is in until we see a proper five-wave move up or break out of the range. So while it's a possibility, I can't confirm it beforehand from an analysis point of view at least. And until then, also because we've seen five waves down, I mean, that's the next piece of evidence we've got, right? So if we say this is a WXY, then the Y wave is obviously an A, B, C structure. Now, this move down, I mean, three waves up, one thing, okay. But then we've seen five waves down. So it could be wave 1 of wave 5. We've now done wave 2 of wave 5. And if we get a break below yesterday's low at around 2,990, then the third wave to the downside should be unfolding, should take us to the next support level at 2,865. And then 2,789, and then 2,604. Because that's what we highlighted, right? We had three waves up, five waves down, which I've labeled as wave 1 of C. And then I highlighted to you that we might get a bit of a bounce closer to or into the resistance area, which happened late yesterday, but not enough to really, well, we haven't seen the rejection really to clearly say that we've topped there. So we might stretch a little bit higher then. Micro resistance is between 3,151 and 3,224. And a break above it would likely lead to a test of the Monday high. Yeah, and a break above that. Obviously something more bullish, but I would first watch for a reset of the B wave higher, because this is a three-wave rally, so it's not clearly very bullish, okay? So yeah, that's sort of what I'm watching for at the moment. So today, the micro resistance area, as well as the Monday high at around 3,280 need to be in the focus. They are the key parameters. As long as we are only between support and resistance, nothing changes in the analysis. But a sustained break either way would clearly tell us which direction ETH is going to go. So idea is, first of all, I'm leaning towards downside. And if we break down, then it's likely the third wave of the C wave. If we break to the upside, I'm first going to watch for an extended B wave. That's my update about Ether. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.